I'm Stephanie Hall, and this is Tupperware's microwave pressure cooker. What we're going to do today is actually make a pot roast in 30 minutes. Now, how can we do that? Because pressure cooking is the process of cooking the foods with saturated steam. The microwaves hit these little lines right here, who are heat indicators, and that creates the high heat that boils the water, that creates the steam at a high pressure, and that's what cooks the food. So some people have horror stories. Well, it's because some pressure cookers can't hold the pressure that they're supposed to. But Tupperware has 5 points of release so that the steam can release if it gets to be too much. So here we go. We have a 2.5 pound chuck roast. I'm gonna slide it right in here in the bottom. And then we're going to sprinkle some of our steak and chop seasoning blend. And you can get this recipe and blend it yourself. It is a fabulous. I'm doing 1.5. There we go. 1.5 of that. And now, and I've got 2 cups of beef stock in my whipping mix. And I tell you, if you're like, gotta do a lot of gravy, or you've got to mix something up really quickly, here I have a 1/4 cup. This is gonna be our gravy. A 1/4 cup here. And this is another time saver. You just turn it a few times and there are no lumps. You are ready. So now we have our beef stock, and we're going to pour this over our roast. Like I said, no lumps. And then we're going to add everything else. This is about 3 potatoes, 2 carrots, lots of great onions. Can you ever have too many onions? No, of course not. Apple cider vinegar. So that not only adds to the flavor, but it's actually a little bit of a tenderizer. We're actually right at the maximum. And so we're going to put this on. It locks up nice and tightly. And snap this down. And we're going to put it in the microwave. And it's going to cook for a little less than 30 minutes. But of course, because we have our valve that monitors the pressure, we have to wait till the valve goes all the way down before we can open it. So I'll see you in 30 minutes. It's out and the valve is up, and we're waiting for it to go down when it's released all the pressure. The valve is all the way down, so that means it's safe to open. Are you ready? Here we go. Ooh. Oh, falling apart. Yum. Somebody is going to love this.